I think I know what this throw represents. It represents multiple beings and birds. The first being is right here. The being's upper lip is here, and its lower lip is here. Its eye is here. It has feathers on its head. Its neck is here. The other being is here. Its eye is here. Its upper lip is here. Its lower lip is here. It has feathers on its head. There is a bird right here. The bird's eye is here. The bird's beak is here. It has feathers on its body. This area here represents the rest of the bird's body. This area here represents a bird's eye. There are feathers on the bird's head. The bird's beak is here. There is a bird here. The bird's eye is here. The bird's beak is here and here. So yeah.